Pete the Cat and the Perfect Pizza Party by Kimberly and James Dean. Look at all these different pizza. I don't know about the smelly sock pizza. Pete the Cat wants to throw the perfect pizza party. It's a pepperoni pizza party. Pete invites the gang over to share his awesome pepperoni pizza. But when no one else agrees with Pete's choice of toppings, they try adding their own. Will Pete's perfect pizza party be ruined? There's only one way to find out. Take a bite with Cool Cat Pete in this delectable story about trying groovy new things with your pal. Ooh, fish, baked bean, I don't know. Pete the Cat loves pizza. Pete the Cat loves parties too. Pete had an idea of what he can do. Pizza idea. Party! He would have the perfect pizza party. You are invited to Pete's Pizza Party. Fun, music, games, bring your swimsuit. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build the perfect pizza together. That would make the pizza even better. Pete's Pizza Party. Pete thought the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. It's a pepperoni pizza party. But everyone did not agree. Here's a cat playing pin the tail on the unicorn. Kaylee said, pepperoni would be just fine, but I really love pretzel on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? What? Well, that's something new, but maybe pretzels would be groovy too. It's a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. Squirrel said, pepperoni and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pistachios? Well, that's something new, but maybe pistachios could be groovy too. It's a pepperoni pretzel pistachio pizza party. Grumpy Toad said, pepperoni pretzel and pistachio would be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pickles? Well, that's something new, but maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a pepperoni pretzel pizza pickle pizza party. Gus said, pepperoni pretzel, pistachios, and pickles would be just fine, but I really love popcorn on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Well, that's something new, but maybe popcorn could be groovy too. It's a pepperoni pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn pizza party. Pete's Pizza Party Bus. Alligator said, pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickles, and popcorn would be just fine, but I really love papaya on mine. Now Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? Well, that's something new, but maybe papaya could be groovy too. Bounce House. It's a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza party! Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickles, popcorn, and papaya on top. Wow, look at that pizza. The pizza was so high they had to stop. Ding! The pizza was done. Trying something new might be fun. They all built up the courage to take a first bite. And the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza was, let's see, out of sight. Dynamite just right. In the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends. Heartburn medicine. The end. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and share, and hit that notification bell. And also check out my other playlists and videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!